Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now we need to type this command c : and simply press enter. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now type in cd space c : / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Type bcdedit space /export space c : / bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type attrib space c : -- boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Type in ren c : /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.